hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be.
Happy birthday, Dad!
It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday, Ma. Inaot nga malipayon ka sa imo birthday ug sa daghampang birthday nga moabot og himsog nga lawas ug kang tatay. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mama and Tatay! Happy birthday! Ma, salamat sa imong pagpangga ug pag-amuma ka namo. Bisa man tuod og babaon ka. Gipangga gyapon mi nimo og gimahal. Og Tay, salamat sa imong pag-atiman namo. Kay sukad-sukad, what should make katilaw og bunal, kasaba diha nimo. Salamat kaayo Tay, we love you so much. Ug manghinaot ko nga, tagaan pa mog hataas nga kinabuhi. I miss you all. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama and Tatay. God bless you always, MBTC. God bless.
Happy birthday, Nay!
Sa birthday, Ma. Ang hinaot nga malipayon kasi imong natawan karon, more God bless.
More birthdays
More
and God
birthdays
bless.
and God bless.
We love
We
you.
love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tatay Lokloy o Mama Marlene. Hinaot na malipayon mo sa inyong birthday. Wish na ko, tagaan mo may panglawas sa Ginoo adlaw-adlaw. Daghang kayong salamat tayo, Ma, sa inyong pagsakripisyo na mo. Labi na sa pag-atiman sa akong tinalanggang bugoy. Ayan. Daghang kayong salamat tayo, Ma. Amping mo diha, Permi. Again, happy birthday. I love you so much and namiss ko na kayo. Bye!
change your name to something new? Would you think it childish if I changed my name to I love you? We both have a love so perfect. I would never want to hurt it. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change